Okay.
You find the picture sound? I. We'll make it sound.
I don't know.
N.
What'd you spell?
Gavin. Gavin.
Good job.
And what name?
How about Logan?
No, not Logan.
You know how to spell Logan.
L. L made the O sound.
Okay.
What made the O sound? Look,
I
Mama.
don't know.
I can run in a little circle.
Good job, Bailey.
What made the G sound?
Okay.
You see that? What made the I sound? Crazy about that, Mama. What made the N sound? Us.
I don't know. What did you spell?
Let's see. Morgan. Yo, how about Caitlin?
Okay, let's try Caitlin.
What made the
I don't know.
C?
Okay.
What made the I sound?
I don't know.
A. What made the I sound?
I don't know.
I. What made the
T.
yeah? What made the yeah sound? Y?
Y. Did you forget a letter? I think L is next.
No. It is next.
Okay.
C A I T Y N.
No, that's not right.
Yes.
Caitlin is C-A-I-T-L-Y-N. You
Yeah.
forgot the L, but that was a good try.
But we didn't got the L.
We forgot to put the L in there.
Why?
I don't know. What happened?
But we didn't got an L in here in the. We didn't have an L in here in the A.
Oh, should we try it again?
Yeah.
Okay.
What made the sound again?
I don't know.
What made
Oh,
the
C. You're right. C.
yeah? What made the
L, but that's not next. What comes after C?
A?
That's right.
What's your hat? I can't go what made the it sound? I. What made the hey?
That's right.
What made the
What makes the L?
now you have to put it on tape.
I don't know.
Oh, it can't fit on.
Okay.
And maybe it don't fit. Can I have it? Yeah. Why?
Okay.
Mama,
Y.
look it. I made that broke. Sound?
N.
Yeah.
Okay. What'd you spell?
Look it. So I have one more letter. So we can spell Caitlin again. I don't need to fit.
Okay.
So I can. You want to pet my turtle? You pet him.
Good job. High five,
No, you
Tyler.
pet him.
Okay.
And these are his foot. What comes next?
Should we do Allison?
No. Loopy.
Okay.
We're going to do Allie.
Oh, Aunt Allie. Okay.
What made the sound?
I don't know.
A. What made the sound? L. No, that's not right. We do 3 L's. We want to do 2 L's.
Oh, you did 3 L's? It's only 2?
Yeah.
Okay.
Those are too much.
Oh, that was too much? Okay, let's try again.
What made the sound?
A.
Yeah. What made the sound?
L.
It's okay.
What made the it sound?
I don't know.
I. A-L-L-I.
What does that spell?
An Allie.
It spells Allie. That's right.
And what made the let's see. What made the b sound?
B. What are you going to spell?
Beach.
H. Okay.
What made the S sound? I got
don't know.
one, Mama. E.
Good job, Bailey.
Where is E? What made the sound? A. What made the
I don't know what makes ch. I don't know.
C and H?
C and H makes ch.
Where is the C? Right there. And where is the